Connolly's Say It Sligo Care programme is now available to new and existing customers. Available for cars up to 10 years old. The Care programme could significantly reduce the repair costs using genuine Say It parts and carried out by Say It trained technicians. Items covered under the Connolly Care programme include steering racks, ABS control units, EGR cooler, injectors and more. All repairs carried out in our workshop come with a 24 months warranty on parts and labour. For more information, please contact Connolly's Say It Sligo Service Department on 0719 106 999 or visit us at connolly's.ie.